Today, let's dive into the concept of economic movement. It's something that affects all of us, whether we realize it or not. Do you think people understand how economic forces shape their lives?
That's a great question. I believe many don't realize the underlying forces at play. Take starting a restaurant as an example. It's not just about cooking great food. The key is drawing people in. The economy, in a way, drives that traffic for you.
Right. So it's not solely about skill, it's more about how the system funnels people toward your business.
Exactly. Even if you're a great cook, if you're not in the right place at the right time, the economic forces won't push people to your restaurant. You need that initial influx of people to make it work.
So the economy essentially directs people where to go. And this creates opportunities for some while others fail. It's all about attracting those people, right?
Yes, it's about creating a space where people want to come. Once you have that crowd, you start accumulating resources, whether it's money or information. With the right timing, that's where things can snowball.
It's fascinating how that works. You start with something small, like a restaurant, but over time, you end up acquiring valuable assets, like land or property, because the economy funneled those resources toward you.
Exactly. And before you know it, you're sitting on assets that have greatly appreciated. That small investment in the beginning turns into something much bigger than you anticipated.
And that's the power of economic movement, isn't it? If you're in the right place at the right time, everything falls into place.
That's right. The key is to leverage the opportunities as they come. It's about knowing when to invest and how to turn small gains into larger, long-term success.
So, at some point, you realize that the money you made from your business is just the start. It allows you to do more, like send your kids abroad for better education or expand your knowledge and resources.
Absolutely. With the right economic base, you can set your children up for success. They're then equipped with the knowledge and skills to further elevate the family legacy.
So, the knowledge you accumulate becomes the real power. It's not just about wealth, it's about building a foundation for the future and passing that on to the next generation.
Exactly. And when you invest in yourself and in your family's education, you create a system of growth that benefits everyone. It's about breaking the cycle of ignorance and using that knowledge to reshape the future.
And that's how you can really change the trajectory of your family's future. It's all connected, isn't it? Economic success, personal development, and family growth.
Yes, it's a continuous cycle. Once you have the knowledge and the resources, you can make better decisions, not just for yourself, but for your children and even for society as a whole.
So, at the end of the day, it's about creating opportunities that can benefit multiple generations. It's not just about surviving, but thriving and evolving.
Exactly. And when we create that environment, we also honor our ancestors. By lifting ourselves, we also free the spirits of our forebears. It's about setting things right for everyone.
It's incredible how much power we have to shape not only our own futures, but those of our descendants. The choices we make today are what set the stage for tomorrow.
Right. And when our children live joyful lives, it reflects back on us and our ancestors. It's like breaking the cycle of hardship and turning it into a legacy of prosperity and happiness.
It's profound. And the best part? We're in control of this process. By making informed, thoughtful decisions, we're setting the foundation for not just a better life for ourselves, but for generations to come.
Absolutely. It all comes back to one thing: knowledge. With the right knowledge, we can create a future that is not just for us, but for everyone around us.